She's a badass off-road racer and professional shooter. Today is International Women's Riding Day, and we thought it'd be cool to bring her out here and let her drive a factory RZR. Took Bro Jack for a little ride. Now it's her turn to go drive this. Hopefully she's good at this. What did you think?
You know, I always pucker up and get all tense on the whoops. Your vehicle handles so well. Your Polaris, like the suspension is on point and pillow floated over some of the whoops, and I was just like, like faster!
So killing it on International Female Driving Day, throwing it down in the Bomb Squad Factory Polaris RZR, Bro Jack.